स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन। डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, द रिएक्शन इन विच द प्लेस ऑफ द आयन ऑफ अ लेस रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट इन अ कंपाउंड इज टेकन बाय another more reactive element by formation of its own ion is called displacement reaction. This is the definition of the displacement reaction and this is the example. If we take CuSO4, that is copper sulfate solution, and if we add ion, we get FeSO4 solution and copper get displaced. अब ये रिएक्शन हम यहाँ पे करके देखेंगे। Student, this is CuSO4. If you see, we will come to know the color of CuSO4 is blue color. Now we will make a solution of copper sulfate. We will take test tube and we will add some copper sulfate inside it. Now we will add some water inside the copper sulfate so that we can make a solution of it. Now we have added some water inside it. Now student, we can see this is the copper sulfate solution we are preparing inside the test tube. Students, here we have prepared copper sulfate solution. Now inside this solution we will put this ion, that is iron nail. यहाँ पे हमने कॉपर सल्फेट का सॉल्यूशन बना दिया है जिसके अंदर हम ये लोहे की कील डालेंगे। Now we will observe the reaction over here. Now in this solution we have put iron nail. Now what will happen over here? Let's see here. When we put iron inside the copper sulfate, iron will displace Cu because Fe, that is iron, is more reactive than copper. So Fe will form FeSO4 and copper will get displaced. Now here we will see slowly copper will get deposited on this iron nail. Now in this test tube we can see copper sulfate reacted with iron and copper got deposited on the iron nail. If we take out the nail, we'll come to know. Here we can see reddish color. This is copper got deposited on the iron nail. Right? Here this reddish color indicate that copper got deposited on the iron nail. This is zinc metal and I have tied this zinc metal with a string so that when we will dip this inside the CuSO4 solution, we can take it out immediately out. Now we will see how CuSO4 solution react on this zinc metal. Now here, as we know, this is CuSO4 solution. I will dip this inside the. Now here we can see immediately it got color change. Here some copper got deposited. As we know, zinc is very highly reactive metal, so it got reacted with copper sulfate very immediately.